I was not able to sell one of my property for almost 2 years. सेल छोड़िए, हम डिसीजन भी नहीं ले पा रहे थे. मैं और मितेश कंक्लूड ही नहीं कर पा रहे थे कि हमको प्रॉपर्टी बेचनी है या नहीं बेचनी है. वी यूज्ड टू थिंक अबाउट इट एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू टेक इट बैक, थिंक अबाउट इट एंड टेक इट बैक. दिस इज व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग. And then one day I did this one powerful money exercise which I'm going to teach you today. And after that, within 1 week, I not only made the decision, I sold the property, and I sold the property at much higher price than the price I had quoted. I had told the agent to sell it for 1 crore 10 lakh rupees, but she sold it for 1 crore 25 lakh rupees, which was a big surprise for me. And this all happened immediately after I did this one particular exercise on money. And today I'm going to teach you that exercise. Hi, my name is Indu Khatri. I and Mitesh Khatri, we are law of attraction coaches and author of this book, The Law of Attraction. I'm going to teach you that technique today here. And that technique not necessarily works only to sell an property. It works to clear your money frequency. It works to bring money close to you. It works to remove money blocks. And I'm going to teach you step by step how to do it. Once you do it, you will see your money frequency changing big time. Let's start with the technique. What is the technique? So the technique is you have to write love letter to money. You must be wondering, love letter to money? वो क्या होता है? Money तो चीज़ है. Money is not a person. But you must have seen my earlier videos as well. I treat money as a human being. As simple as that. I don't treat money like a thing. I treat money like a human being. I give respect, love, everything to money like a human being. And today we are going to write a love letter to money. बहुत simple है, love letter लिखना है क्योंकि money is also a frequency. It is also energy. And when you give money respect, love, it actually brings love and respect for you also. So take a nice writing pad, or if you can get a letter pad from outside, it would be nice. So take a letter pad, start writing. Start with thank you. Okay, don't start with complaints first. Okay, so say dear money. Once you say dear money, after that say thank you. Thank you for lots of things. Thank you money for buying me food. Thank you money for buying me education. Thank you money for buying me water. Thank you money for buying me clothes, for buying me house. Whatever you have bought with money, it can be anything. It can be footwear, it can be makeup, it can be food, it can be support, education. जो भी आपने खरीदा है पैसे से, say thank you for that. Say at nice one paragraph should be there saying thank you for money. और आप मनी को ये मत सोचो कि ये कोई चीज़ है, सोचो कि ये इंसान है. After you're done with that thank you, then you start writing the second section. In the second section, you're going to express your love to money. That how much you love money, how much you want money in your life. Say, I love you money. I really want to nurture you. I really want to learn to manage you. I really want to grow you. Be with me. And I need you. Say, I need you. I want you. Say that. And be very open, okay? Don't stop yourself कि मैं ऐसे कैसे बोलूँ. ऐसे मत करो. आराम से लिखो. After you are done with that, in the third section, that is, you write your complaints about money. You can write whatever complaints you have. Like, why don't you come to me? Why don't you come to me freely, effortlessly? Why do you make it difficult for me to make you or bring you in my life? Why are you not growing? Whatever complaints you have, you write that as well. You know what will happen with this? There is a byproduct also. When you write your complaints, you will realize where are you blocking? Why are you blocking your money frequency? All these complaints you have about money will tell you that, oh my God, you have so many blocks about money. And then you can work separately on removing those blocks and they will go. So money will know that what you think about money, how much you love money, and how many complaints you have about money. And then the last paragraph. In the last paragraph, write down that what you will do once money comes to you. How you will take care of the money. Write down that once you come to me, I am going to make best use of you. I will be buying things for myself. I'll be buying things for my friends and family. I will be helping others. I will help you grow. Write down everything you are going to do with that money. Write down that. The way we generally do, right? हम अपने दोस्त को घर पे बुलाते तो क्या करते हैं? हम बोलते हैं यार आजा ना, चल चाय पियेंगे साथ में, यहाँ जाएंगे, शॉपिंग जाएंगे, right? What are you doing? You're actually inviting the friend and telling the friend, what are you going to do? I'm telling you exactly same thing. Invite money and tell money, what are you going to do with money? So when we are writing this letter, what are we doing? We are actually treating money like a human being. I express my love to money like a person, and I express my complaint also to money like a person. Treat it like a love letter. जैसे आप अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को या गर्लफ्रेंड को लेटर लिखते हो तो कैसे एक स्माइल होती है, वैसे स्माइल रखना. डोंट राइट दिस लाइक अ एक्टिविटी. Write this like a really writing a love letter and keep that letter with you. If required, tomorrow read that letter. Day after tomorrow also read that letter. And if you think, अरे मैं तो ये बोलना भूल ही गई, कोई बात नहीं, एक और letter लिख लो. But keep writing and see how your money frequency changes. See how your money frequency shifts and how money starts flowing to you. Because what you are doing to money is you are telling money that you love money and you are inviting money in your life. And the money will start flowing in your life. So we are going to have 4 paragraphs. We are going to start with dear money. We are going to start with thank you. After thank you, we are going to express our love for money. Then we are going to express little bit of complaints about money. And then we are going to actually say that what are you going to do? That is plan with money. This is what we are going to do. Once you do that, you will realize as a byproduct, you will go very close to money. That is one. And second thing is you will also realize that there are some blocks you may have about money. Those blocks will get visual to you, and you'll realize that okay, I need to work on these blocks, and those blocks will start disappearing from your life, and money will start flowing in your life. Just the way, in my case, that flat got sold at a much higher price than the price I had thought of. The same way, money will start flowing to you. If you want to work more on money, we have a dedicated one program called Wealth Mastery, run by Mitesh Khatri. I'm giving you today a gift. First lesson of this money, completely free. The link is in the description below. Do click on that link and sign up. I'll tell you what will happen in the first lesson. In the first lesson of Wealth Mastery, you'll come to know what are your money blocks, which you will also get it in your letter. And in the first lesson itself, you will also come to know how to work on those money blocks. So you got 2 gifts from me right now. One, love letter for money. Second, first lesson of Wealth Mastery, where you'll come to know what is your money frequency and what are your money blocks.